How to unsubscribe from emails on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to unsubscribe from emails on iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Few things are more frustrating than constantly getting spam emails from mailing lists. Thankfully, Apple does a good job of calling these emails out in the Mail app for iPhone and iPad and makes it incredibly easy to unsubscribe from spam email lists. So, to unsubscribe, go ahead and open the Mail application on your device and further open the mail that you are looking forward to unsubscribe. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see the unsubscribe option beside the user's name. Go ahead and tap on the unsubscribe option in the confirmation pop-up that appears. If you are sure of unsubscribing, then tap on the unsubscribe button, and with this, that particular user will be unsubscribed, as you can see here on the screen. So this is how you can unsubscribe from emails on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.